MixMasters Craft Cocktails, where we teach you how to make classic cocktails. Today we're going to do a signature cocktail called the Thunderstorm. It's right in time for hurricane season, so you can get a little lightning. You could use some moonshine, some white lightning, but it's hard to get real moonshine. So, nice easy cocktail. What we're going to do is start off with a ginger lemonade. You're going to do about 4 ounces of that. Then you're going to do 151. You're going to do 1.5 ounces. All right. Now we want to kind of change this color a little bit, kind of look stormy, so we're going to add just a little blueberry for the storm. Okay. That ginger, that's fresh ginger in there. It gives it a nice crack too. A little lightning effect. All right. Now we need to make some clouds. So in a separate tin, we're going to put egg white. Add that to your mix. Do a little dry shake. Get that froth, that foam on there. Okay. Now we're gonna make it rain, so we're gonna put a little blueberry at the bottom. About 1 ounce. Ice your glass up. Put a couple cubes in there and shake it again. Get that nice froth on there. And then we're gonna pour it slow so it layers. There we go. You would drop a couple blueberries in there, make it rain a little bit. Maybe add a little blue on the top. And here's your classic Thunderstorm, made at ASW Exchange Distillery.